Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. If you are a fan of drones, then you should be familiar with popular entry-level model MJX Bugs 3. It has very interesting design, 19 minutes of battery life, which is very good for entry-level drone and GoPro action camera mount. However, in this video we want to talk about its younger model called MJX Bugs 3 Mini. It doesn't have camera or even camera mount, so it is only mini sports drone for fun. As usual, let's start with unboxing, then review its design and fly a little. The drone comes in a very stylish black box. MJX company has very interesting logo with angry man. You can see him in the right upper corner. Also, the front panel of the box provides image of drone, model number and some features. On the side you can find the image of remote control, while on the other side there are package content and upgradable parts. To be honest, I like the box of MJX Bugs 3 Mini even more than Xiaomi Mi Drone 4K. Inside the box there is a drone with battery, charger, 4 CW probes, screwdriver, remote control, 4-blade protector, sticker and user manual. As I already said, the drone doesn't have built-in camera or even a camera mount. However, you can buy camera additionally and attach it to the drone. Now let's look at design of MJX Bugs 3 Mini. First, I want to note the size of this drone. It is the most compact drone in the series. Just look at this picture. As you can see, MJX Bugs Mini 3 is much smaller than MJX Bugs 3 or Bugs 2W. The dimensions of MJX Bugs 3 Mini are 240 by 240 by 65 mm. In other words, it is 175 mm mini brushless RC drone. On the backside you can find a battery compartment. You should slide here and the battery will be removed. Also, MJX Bugs 3 Mini comes with transmitter. It doesn't differ much from other drones. Here you can see 2 joysticks to control the drone, the buttons to take a photo, high or low modes, arm button and LED switch. There is angle mode on number 1 and Acro mode on number 2. Of course, there is power on-off button. If we talk about main features of MJX Bugs 3 Mini, then I should say about good operating range up to 300 meters. The drone has 6-axis gyro for stable flight, but also you can use Acro mode without stabilization, and it is quite difficult to control the drone for beginner pilot. You should not forget that MJX Bugs 3 Mini is a sports drone, and it is extremely fast, agile and can do different maneuvers. As for the battery, it is not the strong side of this drone. There is 850 mAh battery and it provides about 10 minutes of battery life. Among other features are low battery voltage alarm, out-of-range alarm, headless mode, and special switch to flip between Acro and angle modes. Now let's try to launch drone and look at it in the air. I have never run a sport drone before, so I cannot show you tricks or a master class. MJX Bugs 3 Mini is a very interesting drone. It is very compact sports drone with high speed and maneuverability. Its main disadvantage is the lack of camera, but you can attach it for yourself. Fortunately, it has battery and transmitter, so you don't need to buy any accessories to fly a drone. Thanks for watching. I'm only a beginner in sports drones, but hope my video was useful for you. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.